All right, what if the heat that you feel is no longer just uncomfortable but unsurvivable? A groundbreaking new study is challenging what we thought we knew about human limits in extreme heat. For years, scientists believed that the human body could withstand up to 6 hours at a wet bulb temperature of 35 degrees Celsius, which is essentially a combination of heat and humidity that prevents the body from cooling itself. But that threshold turns may be far too optimistic. From Mecca and Bangkok in 2024 to Phoenix in 2023 and earlier events in Australia, Pakistan and Spain, researchers have re-examined some of the deadliest heat waves across the world. None of these heat waves reached the so-called absolute limit. Instead, they killed thousands. So what went wrong with our understanding? Well, scientists use a new model, one that doesn't just look at temperature and humidity, but also how the human body actually functions under stress, especially with age. And what they found was alarming. In all 6 heat waves, there were periods where conditions became non-survivable for people over the age of 65. Even a few hours of outdoors without adequate shade or cooling could turn deadly. Even shade was not enough in some cases, like the heat wave in Larkana and Phoenix. The heat was so intense, in fact, that the body simply could not cool itself. And in fact, in Larkana, conditions were so extreme that even young, healthy adults faced deadly risk under direct sunlight. So keeping the rise in global warming into consideration, if today's heat can already breach human limits, what happens in a world which is 2 or 3 degrees warmer? That is something all of us need to think about.